Welcome to an intentional nervous system reset meditation. I call in the support of the celestial realm, like Archangel Uriel, Raphael, Jeremiel, Michael, and Jophiel. Take a moment to pause. Allow yourself to become still. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale calm, exhale tension. One more breath. Inhale safety, exhale stress. Bring your awareness to the support beneath you. Notice the chair, the floor, or the earth holding you. In this moment, there's nowhere you need to be. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Feel your breath moving beneath your hands. As you inhale, silently say, "I am here." As you exhale, silently say, "I am safe." Again, I am here, I am safe. Allow your shoulders to soften. Relax your jaw. Unclench your hands. Let your nervous system receive the message that this moment is safe. Now repeat slowly. I release what I cannot control. I return to the present moment. My body knows how to regulate. My nervous system knows how to reset. Take one final deep breath in. And exhale completely, as slow as possible. Bring to mind one thing you are grateful for right now. Allow that feeling of gratitude to settle into your heart. As we close, silently repeat to yourself, I am grounded, I am supported, I am regulated, I am returning to balance. Take one final breath and carry this sense of calm, presence, regulation, and support with you into the rest of your day. And so it is. And thank you, Celestial Realm, for your support.